Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the most requested video you can say.
Yes, and this one is Top Tucker official video.
Yes, I
Top
think this will be a
Tucker.
musical video.
Yeah, this will be a musical video, and we have Talapati Vijay sir.
Yeah,
Okay, the masterpiece, the outstanding.
Yes.
Okay,
One and all.
one and all. Yeah, one and only.
Yes.
So yes, this is a very well requested video, but unfortunately we have gone through a lot of ups and downs. What
Lot of
not.
copyright.
Copyright.
So we
So
have
we couldn't
delayed
do that.
this song, and
Yes.
also they are giving copyright strike for Sarkar movies, scenes and all.
So that's why we have
are
decided, we'll be like posting this video on the different channel so that
Our new
one
channel,
channel
you can say.
could be in safe. Okay,
Yes.
that is why you can understand, right? So yes, like at last we are doing that, and yeah, we'll be very much enjoying this song. Definitely we can, I can sense it. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Super hit.
Yes.
It's unreal. It's
And
very good, very good. Okay, I really
like the
enjoyed.
beat, rhythm,
Top
everything.
Puttakkar, it's
Top
superb.
Tiger, Top Tiger today I got that meaning. I think it was a top class.
Top class, yes.
Yes.
Top class, then a sharp look, then
Yes.
flickered
Flickered
eyes and
eyes,
something,
something.
yeah. And then
Everything.
who are you? You should be stopped, you should be flexed.
Yes.
Oh my god. The lyrics also,
Really
it's
and
very
no
good.
doubt, A.R. Rahman sir.
Yeah, Rahman sir,
No
yeah,
doubt. He
no
is a
doubt.
Top class.
Top class. And also the execution of the scenes.
This scene, I think the song is something different, but for
Baapre.
particularly for
Yeah.
this scene, they have mashed for this song. They
Mashed,
have
or I
mashed
think
up
they have like
no,
in
no,
the real movie
in
it
the
is not
real,
there.
no, no,
Oh,
it's not
okay.
there. So because that fight scene is something different. For
Okay, okay.
particularly for this song, they have mashed
they have
up
mashed.
those all
But
scenes.
that is done so beautifully,
So
right? It
beautiful.
was looking very beautiful.
Yes.
And the rod was coming and he's just catching and he's just giving the look in slow motion. It's कोई भी प्यार में पड़ जाएगा.
Yes, of course.
ठीक है.
It was really. He
He
has
is
done
looking-
marvelous job, and I think Sarkar movie.
Yeah,
A.R.
Sarkar
Murugadoss.
movie, Murugadoss.
He is brilliant man.
Brilliant. He is brilliant. Talapati Vijay sir is brilliant, and A.R. Rahman sir is brilliant. And three,
all the James. you
all
can
the
say.
three gems. Okay, so output will be this way only. This one.
Yes.
Okay, and now I can understand why people are requesting so many times.
And also,
okay.
I've heard this song many times, and sometimes in the room also
In
I
room.
used to tell top
Yes,
patak,
top,
top,
patak, top. We have not heard the song with the video. We have heard the song with audio only. We have heard not full. Okay, I told him no, we'll be not hearing this song off camera. We'll be like doing on camera only with our friends only. That is why we have decided, this is the first time we are hearing this song with the video, and the video was very well synced. Okay, this
Yes.
girl, what is the name? Kirti Suresh, right? She is looking very cute.
Yes. I think
Okay.
see, we have to watch
Very
this
pretty.
movie. We
Yeah.
haven't watched it yet.
Sarkar, we have not watched yet,
Yes.
but we will be watching this movie.
I think
And
this movie particularly, it is also based upon some of the social
issue.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, matlab, like Talapati Vijay sir's look wise, let's talk about that, Abhay.
Look,
Kyunki
from
his
the beginning
look,
only when he entered into this
I
song.
cannot miss that. He's entering the his jacket, shirt was like flowing.
Actually, I like
तभी से
that
लग रहा है
style.
okay. हाँ,
I
that
like that
style. Marvelous. It's outstanding.
Yes.
It is a 10 on 10. I think 1 crore out of 10 I can give. Okay, and we enjoyed it like anything.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the topmost. My mind is filled with happiness today.
Right.
Okay, to be very frank.
I think I don't know how this happens in each and every movie of Vijay sir. There is one or two so much super
Correct.
duper kind of song
Kind of
you
song.
will like to listen it
Yeah.
In repeat mode or many times.
Many
it-
times, many
it will
times.
happen.
Master में भी है.
Master. I think
Right.
Master 3-4 songs are super duper.
Super duper hit. So this is the talent of Talapati Vijay sir.
Yes.
Okay, we have to know this. Okay,
I don't know.
And
I don't know how his script. I think he can get any kind of script, but his execution is superb.
Superb. The execution is like to the point. It is the
Yes.
beyond the perfection level. We have told it several times. Talapati Vijay sir's moves, his acting skill, his execution, every
Yeah.
scene's execution is like beyond the perfection level. We
Right.
love him a lot, and please make sure that subscribe to this channel because more such videos will be coming on this channel.
Yes.
More kind of dancing, Talapati Vijay sir singing,
And mostly
songs,
more of the videos,
most of the
where
videos,
there is
हाँ.
chances for copyright.
Like people will not understand that, we can understand, but definitely we'll be
Yes.
doing more such videos in this channel, and stay tuned for that. Okay,
Right.
make sure that subscribe to this channel. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Ultra Finishers, and he's commenting, you guys first react to Master trailer.
So brother, it's
You
it
must
will
be
yet to
joking,
come,
right?
right?
It has to be coming, like, and then only we
I
can
think
do
maybe he's trying to tell that let's,
fan made.
Yes.
Okay, fan made. No, I would think actually we have to do the authentic one,
Yes,
right?
original one, we
Original
are
one.
thinking, yes.
So yes, ever since it will be getting released, we will be definitely
I
on
don't
that
know,
day only. We'll be doing.
when it will come.
We will be knowing that our
Yes.
guys are there, no, our friends. They will definitely let us know.
And also we'll
So,
get a lot of notifications.
lot of
during that
notifications,
time. But
yes.
Yet we are unsure that it will come this year or not.
That is actually a very bad thing,
Yes.
but definitely we'll be doing just let it come first. So thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Right. So the second comment for today is from Bhupathi Sankar A, and he is writing his comment on Ravanan full climax scene reaction, and he is saying, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, Vikram sir is a 0% hater in Tamil movie industry, but I am huge fan of Vijay Anna.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, we are also huge fan of Vijay Anna as well as Vikram sir also.
Yeah.
They both are very talented actors.
We are fan of each and everyone whoever have done acting so well, have
Yes.
a incredible talent and make everyone,
Right.
like the people, happy.
We can't name in just only one or two,
We
but
cannot
we
do
have
that.
multiples.
We have multiples. So yes, Vikram sir's acting, my god, we know that, okay? And he is super in
Yes.
Tamil industry, as well as Vijay sir also as well.
Yes.
So yes, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Shrikant Durai, and he's commenting on Ravanan full climax in reaction. He's commenting Aishwarya dubbed in own voice for both Hindi and Tamil.
Okay.
Baba.
That's why
She is
her
also
voice,
talented.
her voice was
Synced.
something synced.
Synced. Well synced.
We were feeling like she is
She
only,
is only talking.
skipping
Ah.
because her voice was, we are familiar
With
with her
family,
voice.
yeah. So she's very talented. I think she's South Indian, so it's
Yes.
not a big deal for her to speak Tamil, right? And she is beautiful, gorgeous goddess. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for the information and for commenting on, for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.